Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's
Can I
time
help
to watch
you,
the
brother?
show.
Any friend of Martin's is a friend of mine. I've got another job for you, slightly off the record. You'll be going on a mission with Varanus Daunton. Yes, the Guildmaster's son.
Do not worry. Watch.
You're to accompany him and make sure he succeeds. He needs some time in the field to get his confidence up, or he'll never become a good warrior.
I say just right.
Valena coddles the boy too much. Doesn't want him in the line of fire. Suppose it's no surprise after the tellus.
Yes, Master.
Valena Daunton's eldest son. Good man. We lost him on a botched mission recently. You've probably seen the other wounded around.
Just right.
If you're smart, you'll steer clear of the subject around the Guildmaster. Perhaps you and I will have time to discuss it more later. His mother's been holding him back, protecting him. You'll go to Nunwell Cabin with him. Galtus Previa was lost there, and you're to find him. And not a word of this to the Guildmaster. Go find him. He'll be in the Daunton house, most likely. And bring him back in one piece.
Do not worry. Watch.
We got the contract from his aunt. Was in Nonwell looking for gems of some sort. Never heard from again. You and Varanus, go find him.
Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a man.
Time's wasting.
I was fooling.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn
Greetings,
stuff, you know
Guildmate.
why?
What can I do for
I
you?
needed that.
You're welcome.
A mission?
If you
Well,
need help,
of course.
call on me.
I'm sure we
I
can do
needed
this.
that.
You say
Welcome.
this came from Orion
If you need help,
himself.
call on me, sir. I
Perhaps
needed
I should
that.
speak with Mother
Welcome.
first.
If you need help, call on me, sir. I needed that.
But she's the
Welcome.
Guildmaster.
If
Certainly
you need
she...
help,
No.
call on me, sir. I needed that.
If the order came from
Welcome.
Orion, it's
If
a
you need
battle.
help, call on me,
We
sir.
should be
I
off
needed
immediately.
that.
You're welcome.
If
I'm
you need
sorry.
help, call
It's
on
just
me,
that I haven't
sir.
been given
I
many
needed
contacts
that.
since my
You're
brother...
welcome.
If
since
you
the
need help,
accident.
call on me,
Let's go.
sir. I needed that.
You're welcome.
If you need help,
Yes,
call on me,
my older
sir.
brother.
I needed that.
He was lost on a
Welcome.
mission. Vitalis died
If you
valiantly,
need help,
as we
call
all
on
knew
me,
he would.
sir. I needed
He
that.
was the best of us.
Welcome.
If you
I'm
need
sure
help,
our mother is very
on me.
proud of him.
Hi,
I'm with you.
I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll hear God talk to us. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is teaching.
Listen's here.
See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll hear God talk to us. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about... Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch close and listen. And we'll hear God talk. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll hear God talk. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about it. Because we always learn stuff, you know why? After the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about Wii Remote. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all you gotta do is fucking close and listen. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about because we always learn stuff, you know why? After the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show. Because we always learn stuff, you know why? After the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. See you after the show.
You're back. What have you found out about Galtus Prater's disability?
Water boy. Yes, sir. I say
Dead?
just right.
Damn. What got him?
Just right for a man. I was fooling.
Let me see that.
Oh, do not
Interesting.
worry. What?
The symbols on it are familiar to me. I'll be looking into this.
I mean, you may not touch
Nothing
my
we need to
property,
talk about
water
now.
boy.
I'll pay Varenis for his contract. This is for you.
Just right.
Who knows? I might be able to make soldiers out of them. I'm going to need you to find Magna. That's right. The little vermin has defaulted on another contract. I need you to go babysit him again.
Just right for a man.
Wish I knew what happened. He had a contract for a local mage in Wii. Didn't seem like a particularly difficult assignment.
Yes, master.
He hasn't reported to the client
You
at all.
may not touch
Get
my
yourself
property,
down to Braville
water
and
boy.
find Magna. Make sure that contract of his gets done. And send him to
Just
me.
right for a man. I was fooling.
The Grey Mare isn't a bad place to stay, especially if you're low on septums.
Yes, master.
Stop staring
Hi,
at me.
I'm
Let's get to it.
Gerbert. Hey,
It is-
you know what?